good manufacturing facilities. We have to wear a hairnet and gloves. Let me get suited up. All right, the very first place that you see when you walk into the bubble factory is the molds department. This is where we line all the molds that we put all of our soap in. The next very important place is where we batch out our oils. Here is where I'm going to introduce you to Darius. He is our master compounder. He's the one that pours all the oil of our olive, coconut, shea butter, and castor and create that perfect formula to have soapy goodness. So this is our olive oil going into one of our big batches of soap base for the Bubble Factory soaps. Our compounding area is where good manufacturing begins. Everything that it takes to make that bar of soap is measured out in our compounding area. All of our oils are palm oil free, so that way they are moisturizing, great lather, and we make it the co-process way. All the glycerin is in every single bar. After cut, quality control looks at all the bars, and then the bars are packed and then delivered to your door. This is Deontay, Darius's son. We're all about family here, and he is going to show you an order that he's about ready to pack.
Our more rugged box here, which is the Patchouli Mud. We have our Patriot and Pond Top.
And then every bar comes with a process of how to treat natural and handcrafted soap and a card that says thank you for your order. Be a patriot and support the Bubble Factory and subscribe today.